Welcome back. Till now, we succeeded in creating our own API and transforming and converting the database data and records into JSON response. Now, let's move to the next step, which is Retrofit. And since we're going to follow the MVVM architecture in this application, I'll start from this section, which is Remove Data Source and Retrofit Configurations. In Android development, Retrofit is a popular library for making network requests to a REST API, Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface. It simplifies the process of sending and receiving data from a web service. When working with Retrofit, you'll often come across concepts like data classes, Retrofit instances, and API service interface. Let's start with the data classes, or POJO, plain old Java objects. When working with Retrofit, data classes are commonly used to represent the structure of the data you expect to send or receive from a web service. You would use data classes or model classes to represent the structure of the data you want to send as the request body, or the data you expect to receive as the response from the API. As mentioned in the previous section, we can use online tools to transform our JSON response into POJO classes, or we can do it manually. The second part, or the second step, is to create the API service interface. In Retrofit, an API or service interface is a simple interface that defines the endpoints, HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and the structure of the network requests to a REST API. Each method in the interface represents a specific API endpoint, and Retrofit will generate the necessary code to handle the network request and response processing. The third part is the Retrofit instance. A Retrofit instance is the entry point to using the Retrofit library. It's responsible for configuring the settings that apply to all your network requests, such as the base URL of the API, converters for parsing responses, and HTTP client settings. These are the parts of Retrofit. Now let's start with the data classes, then move to the service interface and the Retrofit instance.